Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flower. Its name is hibiscus. Usually it's called jabapur in Bengali. Let's draw the outline like a little elliptical shape here, as you see. This is the basic outline. Now, some radial formation from the center. We can draw like this. Okay. The nice part of the flowers, which is like a crown on top coming up from here. Few small dots like this. These are like the pollen on top of the flower. Few details on the petals, you can see here. All right, another part we see on the other side of the flower like this. This is not yet blooming, waiting for blooming. The other one is fully flourished. All right, let's draw this petal on the other side and connect like this. Another two petals and connect like this. All right, in the bottom the details will be like this. And we draw a little curved line up to the end. Now we can draw two leaves for the further detailing, like here. This is the outline of the leaves. Another outline as we see here. And we draw the details of the outline for the leaves like this one. It's a little bit curved, and little crossed in the end. All the segments we need to outline like this. Okay, now we can put the color like this flower. Usually it looks like red, so we can put red in the middle. Putting the shade make the drawing nice. All right, the petals, as you see that it's distributed to the outwards from the center points, as you see here, this red part, this is the center point, this is the other red part. All right, and in the end, this is the part, as you see, nice and shining. So the flowers becoming lively, visually pleasant. Let's draw a few elongated outlines like this. Let's make the drawing dynamic. As we proceed further, drawing becomes more dynamic. See, getting nice. Now let's put green color here. Greenish shade here in this part. More depth to the border and lighter part to the center. Dark green outline to the details of the leaves. We're going to put the light green later. All right, now we're going for light green. Light green part of the leaves. These are the little variations of the colors and formation. That's how the drawing becomes more nice. We hope finally we're going to get a nice drawing. All right, these are the details in the edge. Finally, we do some hard strokes to show the outlines of each petal like this. Little shades over here. It's kind of repetition of each part in different way, as you see. All right, so this is the drawing of hibiscus flower. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.